All right, guys. So in this video, I wanted to spend a little bit of time talking about tools that you can use to go out there and help you identify, are you getting your money's worth with your site? So, this is really directed towards business owners that may have been working with an SEO company for a while. And I get this oftentimes with my clients before they started to work with me. One of the key questions was, how do I know if SEO is working for me? Yes, you're getting calls and things of that nature, but am I actually getting a return on my investment? Well, this tool is called Siteliner. It's a free tool. It's available to everyone, and it's going to allow you in real time to very quickly understand, are you getting your money's worth with your site? Are you heading in the right direction where you want to go? Or maybe you might need to make a current change with who you're working with. So what this is going to do is that it'll first, when you render the tool, you just need to put your URL in. It'll help you understand a lot of the main issues with the site. So right now with this site, obviously it didn't stand all the pages because it's the free version. It'll let me know that, from its perspective, that there's some inconsistent links and some related domains on here. So really quickly, as we go through the tool, I'll let you know the most important stuff to kind of focus on. There's stuff on here that is good, but is not that big of a deal. So duplicate content, very, very important. That's just making a mention. Are there other pages on my website that are talking about the same things? We don't want that. That's going to create keyword cannibalization, which at the end of the day for your business is going to make it difficult for your ideal customer to come to your site and really be organized, because now you have a bunch of pages talking about the same thing. If I scroll down here, you'll see page load time, very important. I talked about it in another video, but page speed is very, very important. And realistically, in your case, you really want to make sure your page speed is comparable to that of your competitors, if not better. In this case, this is about 400 milliseconds faster, so it's not bad. Obviously it could be a little bit better, but this is not bad. As long as you're getting somewhere close to this number, this is what you want to look for. If you come back here and you see your page speeds 2,000, 2,500 milliseconds, that's a major red flag, and that's something you want to bring to your web design company. Or if it's been happening for a while, then you might want to consider a change. Next thing too is number of words per page. Now, by itself isn't everything. Quality is more important than quantity. But if you see that you're having more words on your pages per your competitors, you're heading in the right direction. It means they're adding some content to your site and they're being active working on the back end. Duplicate content, you already heard me talk about this before. This is 9%. Average median is 18%. That means this is pretty organized, not too much content talking about many of the same things. So those are all good metrics. Internal links, very, very, very important. All internal link is when someone goes to your website, there's a link on there that will go to another page on your site. That makes it easy for your ideal customer to find different types of content on your site. Also for Google search, for Google robot text, they need to be able to see the different types of content that link to your page. So if they need to make recommendations to people, great. It also allows them to go from page to page and discover and rank you for more keywords more effectively, because your pages are now connected. External links, very simply, if you had a Yelp or a Better Business Bureau page and you put that on your site and I click on that and it takes me to Yelp, that's an external link. Very important to have those two as well. So total links per page, 46, inbound links, 27. So all in all, when you're looking at a Siteliner report and some of these things that you want to deal with, the number one things I always tell people you want to look at is page speed, duplicate content, and really internal links. There's other stuff to worry about, but if you have those three core things and they're solid or they're relatively close to your competitor, you can already tell that your current web design or marketing team, whoever you're working with, there's still a lot more that goes into it, but at least you now know they're heading into the right direction. So if you need a deeper audit of your site, you want to learn a little bit more about this in detail, I'll put my information in the chat and feel free to reach out to me. I'll definitely be able to show you a little bit more about how your website's performing. That'll be Mark Anderson with Consulting Services. Thank you for your time. Appreciate it.